The mathematics teacher stood at the front of the classroom, chalk in hand, ready to explain the day's problem. With confident and deliberate strokes, they began to write out the equation on the blackboard, carefully explaining each step as they went. The students sat rapt, pencils scratching at their notebooks as they diligently copied down the information. The teacher's voice was clear and steady, guiding the class through the intricacies of the problem with ease. Graphs, numbers, and symbols filled the board, creating a complex but mesmerizing web of information. The teacher fielded questions from the students, leading them to their own understanding of the problem and its solution. As the class neared its end, the teacher summarized the key points, ensuring that each student understood the process. With a final flourish of the chalk, the problem was complete, and the students were left to work through it on their own. The room buzzed with the hum of calculations and discussions as the teacher moved to observe and assist where needed. The lesson had been a success, and each student had gained a deeper understanding of the mathematical concept at hand.